Hi, my name is Saxon. I'm the owner of Wild Oak Trail, and our friends over at Point Zero Energy sent over their Titan 240 SP, which we're very excited about. I don't know if you've seen our previous videos, but we do have the Titan Boost, and then we also have the original Titan as well. This is going to be an unboxing of the Titan 240 SP, so we'll go ahead and get right into it. I'll talk a little bit about what this system has to offer, and then we're going to be doing another video after a little bit more in depth. So I'm going to grab my handy dandy Leatherman. If you followed us in other unboxings, we're still waiting for a sponsorship Leatherman. In the meantime, definitely a great knife. Wanted to do an unboxing so that you can see how it's going to be shipped. Ours came up to the great white north. We are in what some call the 51st state. And this arrived very well with our Arctic winters, which I'm quite happy about. So if you want to get in just a little bit closer here, you can take a look. We got some nice bubble wrapping. We've also got the box within a box, which is nice. I'm just going to take this off. My kids are going to love popping this when they come home from school. You're greeted automatically with the quick start, which is very nice. So we'll put that aside. And also inside we've got some extra latches for the batteries, and then we have some cables here as well, which is nice for our solar inputs and for our charging as well. You may need some help with this. This unit is a little bit more heavy than the traditional ones, as it's 62 pounds. That's also because it's going to go ahead and do 8,000 watts of continuous power for 10 seconds, and then you're going to get 4,000 watts of continuous use, and it allows up to 240 volts of power. So you can plug in your RV, not have to worry about if your air conditioner is going to start. You can straight up plug in your dryer, those kind of things, a stove, and be able to know that you can pretty much power anything. So with that said, it's going to be heavier. All right. Just going to close up this knife here. Try not to struggle too much in front of you guys. The advantage all of you will have is you won't be making a video while you do it. Okay. Sorry, Asher. Okay, so as I mentioned, we got a box within a box, which is great because it means that it's going to ship well. Not only that, some of you might have seen that my blade went a little deeper than we'd like. And the good news is we've got some very nice foam right on top. That is very thick foam. And then we've also got the reinforced cardboard sides, which is always fun when it comes to breaking apart and putting into your recycling bin. But it is well worth it because it keeps it nice and safe. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this out. Oh, thank you. And there is our beautiful Titan 240 SP. And so what I'm going to do is, just to save myself some embarrassment again, is I'm going to go ahead and bring a battery up here, unbox that one as well. You can put a battery on top, and you can put a battery on the bottom, and we will go ahead and take a look at what that looks like in just a moment. All right, so I've gone ahead, brought up a battery. For those of you who have not seen one of our videos with the boost. I'm just going to show you how your battery also ships as well. These ones aren't as heavy, they're 48 pounds. And that's what's really nice about the Titan 240 SP and the Titan series in general. Everything's modular, much easier to move around. One of the other great things is they never lock you into their battery system. So you can go ahead with the Titan 240 SP, they do have to be 24 volts when you are putting in your batteries, but you can use any lithium ion phosphate, lithium ion, you can use your lead acid, your AGMs, any battery that you have. And I just find that amazing that they didn't make that a closed source system. And you can build this up all the way up to 27 kilowatts. So that's over 27,000 watts of power. So as you can see here, we've got our box within a box again, which is nice. Same format when it comes to the bubble wrapping. And then on top of that, we also have our foam. There's going to be no instruction manual in here because the instruction manual is going to be for your Titan 240 SP, which is going to show you how to put this together. I'm going to pop this off. One of the nice things about this too is you've got a handle. So you get your handle, pull it right out. Thank you very much. And there we go. All right, there's some movie magic for you. As you can see, we've got our battery that I put on the bottom. I've also got our second battery unpacked. Just wanted to show how we turn this on. So this here is for your AC. This is the battery that's actually powering this. What I wanted to show is we're just going to let this go for a moment. And it's going to show us how many hours it can operate at the current load. One of the also great things is that just in standby mode, it doesn't use a lot of power. As you can see right now, we're only using 8 watts. It's turned itself on. You can hear some fans. This is an industrial machine. It can put a lot of power out, so it's going to be a little bit more noisy than maybe one of the smaller units that you can find. But as you can tell, this is much more quiet than having a diesel generator, much more safe. We don't have fumes flying in our face. And right now it just shut off, or the fan shut off. We go all the way down to 1 watt. So right now we've got 1,428 hours that this could run at with 1 watt. What I'm going to do is show you guys, I'm going to turn this off. This will just take a moment. And I'm going to go ahead and put on the second battery. What's unique about this system is that you can have a battery on the bottom and you can also have a battery on top. And with this one here, we're just going to have to get it a little ready. And that's because it comes with these brackets on the bottom. And so I'm just going to take these off. All right, and back to movie magic. Decided to speed that up for you as I take that off. As you can see, that unveils the connection cords here. So I'm just going to put these over here. All right, so now we won't have anything blocking us when we go to put this on. There we go. All right, so I've got the connectors closed, and what you're going to notice here is that it is registering the 2 batteries, but it's showing at 56%. Let me just see if I can, I've got this turned off. It's a little bright, or not as bright, but what I do need to do is charge this up, and then it's going to register that there's fully 2 batteries on here. 2 points I'd like to notice, if you don't mind just coming over here. We've done this in our other video you can see on the Titan Boost, as we do have one of the original NMC batteries that are lithium ion. And there's a port right up here that you would unscrew, and then there's a battery adapter that you could put on top. So please know All of those who have the original Titan with the NMC battery, you can still buy it and still use the Titan 240 SP. It does require, if you're going to use 240 volts, that you have two batteries. You can use 120 volts, which is one battery. And for those who came for the unboxing only, it wouldn't be a true unboxing if we didn't take off the plastic with you. So there we go. Please stay tuned for another video, and then we'll go over how to actually balance this after I've gotten these fully charged. And we'll go over the app, how to use that, and just a few other technical things. So if you have any questions, are interested in purchasing one, already own one, need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 844-945-3625. We're also available by chat at wildoaktrail.com. Hope to earn your business, and thanks for hanging around.